thrown a pass and it's been allowed to go on. And here goes Vunivalu, looking for his 23rd of the year. Thurston can't get him. The Fijian is going over and puts it down for number 23. In the National Rugby League, on the Harvey Norman replay, he scores his 23rd try. Crossed for his 22nd last weekend, breaking the previous record held by Israel Folau here at the Melbourne Storm.
How good was that?
I don't see them missing out.
Smith sends it away to Cronk. Here's a kick. He wants his man up. He goes. Vunivalu makes it a hat-trick.
Obviously, Leichhardt Oval with his first game, and he scored with his second touch that afternoon. The parents had come across from Fiji. He had 22 on his back, number 22, 20 years of age. We didn't quite know what we were seeing at Leichhardt that afternoon.
Wow. How good's that? Look at him. What an athlete.
Of his father, represented them in 2015 as Cronk getting the kick in. There's more pressure on Canterbury. They can't let it bounce. They've got to have a claim at it. Suliasi Vunivalu has flashed through with a cape on and caught and scored.
Out of this season as he finished last season. Great kick from Cooper Cronk. It's right on the mark. Vunivalu sprints for the ball, only has eyes for it. There it is. Gets in behind, or in between the Morris brothers, and scores the second try for the Melbourne Storm.
Well, they turned their back on it that time, the Bulldogs. It was their centre three-quarter, Josh Morris. Vunivalu comes through. A tall man too, snaps the football out of the air and goes in for the second.
Before tackle. Spiral from Smith. Billy puts the kick over the top. Vunivalu! What a catch from the flying winger!
Billy gets the ball. Vunivalu's back. But he's got the sun in his eyes. It's just amazing skill.
Can they send Melbourne back? Cronk now to Billy, now to Vunivalu, who flew through the air! Gus, I can't believe this.
Yeah, well, I can. We predicted it before the game. And on that occasion, from a set play situation, they went two to the right-hand side of the post. They came back to the left-hand side, attacking the Dragons' right-hand defence. They made the Dragons fill up a little bit on this side in defence because they've already conceded 2 tries there, and then immediately swung the ball back to the left. And if you remember, Cameron Smith was at first.
Gillett. Munster will kick. Sends it high across the field. It's deep. Vunivalu, we know he's a leaper. He's come down with it.
Stop it. It's good.
Kick from Munster too. You see here he had to straighten up because there was some pressure coming from his outside, and then Vunivalu goes up. He probably goes up a touch early, but on his way down he just doesn't take his eye off the ball and scores a freakish 4-pointer. That's his second for the night. He scored 4 here in this contest.
Vunivalu didn't get it first time around. It was there for the reason. Last tackle, Farrell's the kicker.